Calling in 5 minutes.
Someone's licking me.
That would be the dogs.
Where's he at?
Dogs.
Where's Toby?
Hi.
Ah, found him.
I'm going to stay out of the frame. No, damn it.
Okay, alright, we're really bored. Yeah, we just had McDonald's.
I've been sick for like
2 days.
3 days.
2, 3. Yeah, she
3.
hasn't been in school the entire time, and it's really low.
Now there's only 2 days left of the week that I have to go to.
If you're going tomorrow, you better go tomorrow.
I'm going tomorrow.
Sorry.
I might not.
What? Oh wait, that face is in the video. No. I feel like.
I know the name of my band.
Wait, the song's not going on. 1 second.
That's
God.
because you didn't hit play.
Shut up.
Framing Hanley, Lollipop, now on iTunes. Oh yeah, that was in that video, right? Yeah.
You look like you were asleep. Would you take that today?
Nap time?
No, that was like forever ago, man. And actually, I was like 3/4 of the way asleep.
Okay. Turn that down. Turn that racket down. Huh?
I need to straighten my hair.
I'm
I
stalking
took a
Lauren.
shower today, so now it's all curly.
Okay, so we were really bored. So I'm at Lauren's house. It's 5:07 on what's today? The day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know what day it is.
Today's Wednesday.
Okay. I don't care.
Monotonous.
Monotonous. That's a fun word. Monotonous.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Entertain. Chop the topics.
That's my thing.
I know.
That's okay. That's the whole point, genius stuff. I like this song.
You're so sweet. Wanna lick the rapper.
I don't know this song. I don't like it. Change it.
No.
The guy's hot. Look.
I twitched. I don't care how hot the guy is. I love the song. He was like,
Guys, shut up. I'm calling. Hi, is Justin there?
I love my hat.
No, it's fine. I'll just call back.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
Gangster.
They're still out.
Alright, so we're really bored. You can tell.
no. Oh, okay, chill. Don't break the computer. Next time, just go.
You're telling me that me and a whale, we and an elephant.
Yes!
Oh,
Maybe.
the elephant baby's named Danny.
She's calling you fat.
No, you weird.
Little bit.
This is Tommy. He's wet.
Tommy's like. Nah, no, you're
That's
not.
me.
Little bit.
I'm making Josie. Yeah, I'm making Josie and Marcus.
I'm just gonna make him a master. Do you even know his email?
He said he was gonna give me a tonight.
Alright.
Oh yeah, that's skill.
Retarded.
I'm retarded. You stop.
So we're retarded, you idiot. God.
No, I'm pretty sure it's just you. I just encourage it.
Ooh, I'm going to my playlist when you're on.
Okay. Have fun with that.
Which?
I know you are.
No, I'm a slut.
I'm not just saying it.
Wait.
Get at me for?
No, it's not two, it's just that one.
No, I like it.
You look retarded, you look
Go attack Maria.
Love you.
Get off of me.
Fine.
Maria.
No, don't come near me.
Don't come near me.
Put my phone down. No. Eat her! I told him to eat her.
Ollie is my dog.
He got my
Not smart.
he got my telepathic message.
But he's so cute. I can't be mad at him. Just like Tommy. That's just because he's so fat and broken.
I mean, like, if he's this kid, he's away.
He's like that. He's that thin.
Hey, you
It's
know when
funny.
when
She wants to poke him, but she's afraid she'll like break her finger.
I would be
He's like-
good with her.
He's like a wannabe bodybuilder. It's hilarious. Why am I all alone on the screen? Come back.
Put the phone down. You know, I put my phone in my pocket.
The only way to get you to shut up.
You gotta take your camera.
That's mean. You unplugged it. Now it's on charge. I look cute. Ooh.
Right. Let's go with that.
I'm waiting for you to realize what song this is when I put it on.
What song is this? No. Like, pretend I was a cat. Make it more realistic.
I feel retarded. I'm next to you.
Listen,
Womanizer by Britney Spears.
will you shut up?
I don't listen to Britney Spears.
Put it up. I like the song. It's here we come, let's go in with you. What you are, baby. When you on the arena, take you.
Subliminal messaging.
Smoke.
What you are, baby.
Known as a woman of
Drink. Okay.
More playlists.
Someone shut a door.
You know what? You keep the song. You know what? That's enough. Move. Scandals. Okay, alright.
Don't put it on YouTube. That's gay. No, go to playlist.com.
Okay, God.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Good song.
Oh. Wait.
Hold on, wait until the song's over. I want to see if you guys know it.
Wait.
It's gonna go. I went back on to here to see that way you wouldn't see it.
Paramore! Fences. Yes.
That's not the name of a song.
I know what the song is. Sing it.
Oh God, I can't sing.
Yes, you can.
I'm sick. I can't sing. I'm sitting in a room. We're made up of all the big white walls and in the halls there are people looking through. They're in the window, they know exactly what they're here. Don't look up, just let them think. There's no place else you'd rather be. Always on play for everyone to watch their own. Don't you know by now you can't turn back because it's all it's obvious that you're dying.
What? Oh, shit.
We're almost out of time. 9, 8, 7.